Hello, and welcome to the system overview of the Cerberus PRO e-learning module. This lesson is based on Introduction Package 7 and covers the functions and components of the international version. This lesson covers the system overview of Cerberus PRO in more detail. We will look at standalone applications, networked applications, station types, application examples, and the features and benefits of Cerberus PRO. This overview shows a standalone application. The core element of each fire protection system is the fire control panel, which has a main processor and an integrated operating unit. The CNET is responsible for detection and allows you to have a maximum of 252 devices per loop. We are also able to have loop-powered devices, such as floor repeater displays, sounders, sounder beacons, and voice sounder beacons on the CNET as well. The fire control panel has monitored and non-monitored outputs for remote transmission, so it can transmit fire alarms and faults. The fire control panel provides an access point for software tools. This access point can be used for remote servicing, commissioning, or for connecting to a management station. All network devices across the fire system network are connected to a dedicated Ethernet network, which is the protected FS zone. As you saw in the previous overview, we can use the control panel as a standalone application, but if needed, you can also use it as a networked application. The C-Web Safety Link allows you to network a maximum of 32 stations. If a management platform is connected, the maximum number of stations in the CNET Web Safety Link is 16. The distance between two stations can be up to 1,000 meters. We will provide more details about this later on. The fire control panels are equipped with an operating unit and an interface for detection, as well as inputs and outputs. Fire terminals can also be included. Their displays are identical to control panels, and they work in the same way. Control panels on the C-Web can be set up to transmit common fire alarm and fault signals remotely. We can assign one station on the C-Web as an access point for software tools. This access point can be used for remote servicing, commissioning, or for connecting to a management platform. All network devices on the entire fire system network are connected to a dedicated Ethernet network, which is part of the protected FS zone. Up to 32 stations can be networked using C-Web Safety Link. Cerberus PRO allows even larger networks to be created. But how does it work? A number of subnetworks can be connected to one another using extended networking. Up to 64 stations can be networked in compliance with EN54. They communicate via the optical C-Web LAN. Up to 14 subnetworks can be connected to the C-Web LAN. Each C-Web Safety Link subnet can contain up to 16 stations. Depending on the configuration, each subnetwork can communicate with the C-Web LAN via a redundant connection. We can assign one C-Web station as an access point for software tools. This access point can be used for remote servicing, commissioning, or for connecting to a management station. All network devices across the fire system network are connected to a dedicated Ethernet network, which is part of the protected FS zone. Now you are familiar with the differences between a standalone and a networked application. Cerberus PRO offers you 6 different types of stations. What are these stations used for? The first one is the FC721 Fire Control Panel. This one-loop panel supports up to 126 devices. It is only used in standalone applications and cannot be networked. The FC722 Fire Control Panel is a 2-loop panel that supports up to 252 devices. It is available in 2 different housing types. The FC722 is designed for both standalone and networked applications. Next, the FC724 Fire Control Panel is a 4-loop panel that supports up to 504 devices. The FC723 fire control panel is a modular panel that supports up to 756 devices. The FC726 fire control panel is also a modular panel, but supports up to 1,512 devices. Finally, the FT724 fire terminal is a pure operating terminal that is used in networked applications. The FG2004 is an edge device that connects the Cerberus engineering tool or Cerberus remote to the fire panel via the Internet. This is done using the Cerberus portal, an online tool which can be accessed via your Internet browser. The FG2004 is a fully integrated member of the C-Web LAN and boasts remote operation, maintenance, and service features. The FG2004 Edge device is a firewall for zone boundary protection. It protects the secure FS zone from unauthorized access, manipulation via the Internet, and untrustworthy networks. Here are a number of examples to help you. You will find the links to the topology examples in the video description. We will now show you an animation demonstrating a big system. Cerberus PRO, an intelligently designed system using modular architecture. We shall now provide a brief summary of the main features and benefits. A customer is looking for an easy-to-use but expandable system. Cerberus PRO offers a fully expandable fire protection system ranging from a standalone system to one that is fully networked. This means that the system can be expanded according to customer needs. You can provide your customers with smart service by remotely accessing and monitoring their system. Remote access allows you to access and view the entire system from any location using a standard PC. You can react faster to any customer requests and offer quick and easy support at any time. Customers want to protect people and assets. We improve safety by offering degraded mode, turbo isolators, and standby functionality. These features enable Cerberus PRO to provide maximum safety. Customers want the system to be capable of handling a wide range of risk environments. Cerberus PRO offers the right detector for the right application. Detect fire quickly and reliably. The fire alarm only goes off when there is a real danger of actual fire. In the next chapter, you will learn more about the topic C-Web stations.